Welcome back, and today I have come to the University Church of St Mary's in Oxford, and I'm going to be going up the tower. You can go right to the top and it only costs £6, so we're going to get some spectacular views, and we will also see is it one of the best tourist experiences to do in Oxford. It's quite a cloudy day, but we should still get some good views up there. I think they're ringing the bell in St Mary's. Let me show you this board. There it is, £6 per person, or we could do £20 for a family ticket. The church itself is free to visit, you just pay to go up the tower. So I have just paid. There are 127 steps, so off we go. There he is, you can just see the Radcliffe camera through there. God, they're a bit steep. That's where we're going, right to the top. So this is the halfway point, and there's a little diagram on how the clock works, and just in front of us is the map of what colleges we can see. We're going up the spiral staircase. This is where it gets a little tight, but I think this should take us right to the top. There's pigeons. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like and comment. I got lots of nice things planned for this year. So yeah, subscribe. And I think coming up the tower is a great experience in summertime, when it's like nice clear skies. But yeah, we're here. There we go. So we started right down there at the bottom. We've come up here. So yeah, just in front, that is the Radcliffe camera. I think out of all the sides you can see around the tower, I think this one is the best, with the Radcliffe camera. So this is the High Street, you can just see it, just down there, that is the High Street. Right over there, that is Magdalen Tower. That's a great college, and they also have all the deers there. I think New College is just over in there somewhere. That's where they film Harry Potter, and they also film in Magdalen College. Old Bank Hotel. And then the Quad restaurant is underneath. It's a really good restaurant. They do really nice brunch. I went to brunch last week. When you can hear the bells. Christchurch. Christchurch is over there. Yes, Merton College, that's Merton College. And Corpus Christi is just in there. Right, let's work our way around. It's very tight little gaps, a little footpath. But yeah, it's definitely worth £6 to get all these views of the colleges. But that's the St Mary's Church. Just in there is St Mary's. I'll show you around when we get to the bottom. For £6, I think this is one of the best experiences in Oxford, especially if you're a tourist. Definitely come and visit here. But yeah, it's great. It's a great experience, and the views are amazing up here. Right, down we go, down the spiral tower. We will also go have a little look in the actual church now. And you can see it is free to come in, and I love all the painted glass windows. One thing I will say is that it does tend to get very busy up the tower, so I think it opens at 9:30 on weekdays and Saturdays. I think it might be slightly later on a Sunday, so I have come down for 9:30 on a Saturday morning, and it wasn't too bad. So I think if you're planning on coming, maybe come as early as you can, because it does get busy and you do have to queue. I didn't queue today because I was early enough. This is also the Narnia door. It's just right by St Mary's Church. I think that is supposed to be Mr Tumnus. Magnolia tree, the buds are starting to come out, but you get some really nice pictures when it's full bloom, so not long to go. It usually comes out in full bloom sometime in March.